Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to train a clustering AI model within seconds using aicuflow. So let's get into it. We're just going to start by logging into the platform and creating a new flow. And now there are several ways that you could do this. You could just chat with the AI builder right here or create the flow manually in the node libraries. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to do it using a simple template. So click on the AI training flow, and in the filtering options, just expand on all types and look for string right here. Now, in order to customize it, you could select it as it is and input your own training data, or you could use one of the templates available on the platform. I'm going to go ahead with the first one here and just press on create flow. And there you go. Your AI training pipeline is ready for use. You can further customize this by expanding on the Train AI model node and moving to the Input tab. Once you're done with that, you can save it and close, and simply click on the Run Flow button. You can track your progress right here on the side, and just within a few seconds, your training is complete. You can preview your results by expanding right here, and in the next video, I'll show you how to use these for your inference flow. Before you go, there's one other cool feature that I want to show you, which is the plot dashboard. So in the left navigation bar, click on the third icon, and here you can see several different variations of the visualizations. You could also move over to the next page and also create custom plot by selecting the button up here. Make sure to try this out yourself and contact us if you have any questions or check out our documentation. Thanks for watching.